Ula don karing nyo pun aran si. Ula syong sa bat kim rat kumbalay benay tam. Bro kim rat kila syong ha yo kata. Kila syong suk syong sign bat kila syong men bandon rekan bado. He had stationed 7 forts to ensure he lived and stayed with animal as 3 months. About all animals well pleased him so much, and they lived with peace and very happy to have together with him. Ubekson ulai kaya ke jumta jong ke kami jong kimrat nadu kimrat red hadu kimrat bakrau kila borom yo paro khatang sing unstnat yo. Ubekson thought beaten his mother. The animals they respected him all over. Only snake he unpleasant him. But jika jengu kurta kilap tahu pets jengai kibat paro habak kimi iyo busen hagapor dihikai kilas dang banwat yo Bekson uang and his teaching so that he fled far away. The animals when not see of the snake in the teaching they start to search him. The Bekson said kena wat yo wala pet nang isi jengai namar snat jika jonga ha kabaning kong kim semnget yo bat barok ki ong katakam la benlong. Kids don't search him, he fled far from us because he don't listen my teaching. At first they don't believe him and all said that's not impossible. Kumno ula pet haba syam ken you know nangi haba ulek sa score yang la fighting Bekson jin thao jong blay wat bat kumta Bekson ong pek ikmat jong apin iya ke sia. How he fled when he don't talk anybody from us. When he go, listen to me, responded Bekson, Gerser of God, and so that the Bekson say, looks my eyes, you will see the truth. Kumta baro kimrat kila pek ikmat jong Tegli iyo besen bau pet sisa bat knyum yo Bekson ki sim kimrat barok bat kiway. So all animals look at his eyes, then they see the snakes fled for such an mounder of the Bekson. All birds, all animals and others. Kila isi iyo besen bat ya kecingla jung bat barok khot kila lengok bat ki ong paramaki. Mungkin tahu ayo siya padon kabor pan iya kecing siya kumta barok kila ting borom yo bat kila yarok bat tem khosiyo. They condemn to the snake and his doing all over, and they amazed and they by say, what is this result, is it? He have power to show the truth, so that all revered him and praised him and Nell. Bat ki ong yu pidei ublay jongi bat don ki ong pidei unong yu tulupa la neusim la jawab Bekson ngam dei ublay ngam dei unong yu tulupa ngam dei usim ngadei ukun jong kasi pat unong yu sai ai basya jong pi. And they says him, you are our God, and they have our say, you are prophet, neither the king. No, answered Bekson, I am not God, not prophet, not king. I am the son of son, and your true pleasure. Ban daya pi na kajing ban ben ban na kajing yo ben na kirus new bat ban like na kajing jot. Kapase man ta kadap da kajing pejot sudah bat jing siu kliang. Ya besen warsalya. To protect you from the oppressions and scorning, from the scoundrels, to free from destructions, the earth today is full with mischief and recompensing of the snake dauntingly. Namar ulong ubalatim na kapor adamat kaim klem artin unbisni yapi patsun yapi banuang ngadai balai sa ukun benru banlek kunjuk kumbangalai api pat banhikai ki kila kuslai habaki asnyo sekang kata. Because he is the ex-great sin the time of Adam and Eve. Without doubt, he will envy for you and hate us to you, And I said I should to go to the persons today to do likewise I do of you, and to teach them. When they heard about that, they accepted. Baro kilasung bha e bat kisno. Baro kilasung bha sa. Baro ki ong sung bha sa bat ni. Bat le sta. Kajing ma ka ap yapi. Nama ki kun bandu kim nam ngit yapi. Bat la pai ten. Hoi jing ma ki ap yang a. Tabangan bay man tem ya ka. Ai kan long kat kum kamon jing ini bat jong kun dong breu. All this stay with us. Please don't go there. The harmful wait for you, because the person they didn't believe you, and they responded, yes, the harmful wait for me. Marry that, and I will be dominated by it. Let it be done to me according to the word of my mother and the Son of Man. But ngan sa berkikat arsnem, ada nang tangan wan pai yang sepi. Mimi ap ya piko konrat, haduk pentawan pai, laong kimran paro. Macam ada step ngan beben let show kun benrew. And I will stay with them 12 years. Thereafter, I will come back to you. We wait for you lots until you come back. I get all animals. Tomorrow early in the morning, I should go to the persons. Kajika ku ba nyaw hajar, nyaw spa, nyaw 10 kilometer. Na badan brew. Dak step bekson ula krek lek. Barok kimrat kilesim, bat kiwai la ai ku blay you. Jauh mat bat ki ong. Ini isu ya piko kan rat. The place of the present people is far as if 7,776 kilometers early in the morning. The Bekson prepare to go. All animals, birds and others, they give thanks him. They drop to and say, we will never see you again, our rat. But ngila du no ya kijing pusan ki jong pi. Ki sur thiang jong pi. But ngila du la kijing ka jong pi. Basang hun pha. Ni sel kumbang ngila du no ya kun prang sing jong i. Uru umla klem da jau mat lang. And we lost your smiling, your sweet voice, and we lost your teaching, very sensible. We felt us we lost like only one son. He was two, he will not may without drop tear together. Sumpah sya kumbab ka imay nga David pendep laong Bekson. Haswabot ulit kila pertajam. Inslam nang yasayan basisya. Inslam nang yasayan basisya. Ula ay nyaw telik sambay. How sings in. But ulang tung yaw naw sambay. Ulang daway pipara. Favor please. As my mother bidden I should to finish, said Bekson, before he shall go, and they shouted, long live true pleasure, long live true pleasure. He gave 7 seeds to the Lion King, and he said, implant this seed, they are the medicine for you all. Sa sisin using sim ula pertakham jam, inslam kunong isayan basisya, but borok kila pertakham jam. Inslam kunong yasayan basisya. Inslam kunong yasayan basisya. Kumta ula lek no hadin pras ni ula poy ha. Rut jangka waba. Lami sipun kidok ha. Again, the lion sing shouted, long live the true pleasure. And all animals shouted, long live the true pleasure. Long live the true pleasure. That's it. He gone after what 8 days. He arrived in the bank of the river. Researched so many fishes. But kilin kenti sejrong but ong. Sisa pide unong yasayan basisya. Inslam nong yasayan basisya. Inslam nong yasayan basisya. Bekson ula phuzam ki but ula ong. Hot sisa uta uday but ula kan berki akan ta ay nang tao layak biang pun si. And jumped above and said, really, you are the true pleasure. And shouted, long live the true pleasure. Long live the true pleasure. The Bekson smiled and said, thanks. Yes, yeah, that's right. And he talked with them 2 hours, anything. And then he walked again so many days. Ula poi hakaway kanong red nagaborsayan. Tang artiyaw driusni. Ula kalon kram ha perso bat kalong hajan jing brew. Kiksew kilawiyar bat kilay hajan jungo. Kim semnut bandat yao. Adan kaway kena kebatam sok ha. Kalalay pit hajan jungo. He arrived in the one of the village which the power sands. Only 2 weeks 6 days. He fell down in the garden orchard. Are the two near the house persons. The dog barked and goes near him. They didn't dare to bite him. Had one girl that speak fruit. She gone near him to look at. Kalakandit bat shifting kampan ci ikum yau bat kalamare sejeng banyak tu breu. Komta ki breu kilawan pet yau. Orang bak senong bakar ten rektor. Ulah hukum ban siat syukuli sasun. Bekson ulah ki bat kila tel siat yau. Rektor ulah kali. Medeway. She fretted and fell. She didn't see like him, and she ran home to tell anybody. That's it. The people they came to look him. The headman that's named Rector. He command to shoot to the sky one bullet. The Bekson wake up and they aim him. The Rector asked him, "Who are you?" Kunta Bekson laying bat pet sedang bat klepet lengok bat kiong taramaki. Udah jin kau baper bah. Sya. Medeway yung ansiat yame ada mem kren ngadai ubekson la jebab da kasur ke bajem barok kila lengok ngan spang kimnang ban kren. Therefore the bekson arises and looks around and they stare and said to one another, "He is a alien creature. Is it? Who are you? Often I will shoot you if you don't talk." "I am the Bekson," he answered with soft voice. All wondered a while they can speak. Harin kata bat kila keli paramaki keng une unang ban ken briu rektor ulah keli. Tuan Bekson ulah tu sapang kata bar bat kila pet lengok bat pet sa. Bat kumta kelate yang ketijung rektor ulah ong yau ya sing. After that, and they said to one another, "Who do you think this is? Creature can speak like people?" Rector asked, "Where from you come?" The Bekson told all about that, and they gasped and stared. And then they tied his hand. The rector say him, "Let's go home." Kenapa cuma dur da unong to endang teng